Hi folks, Steve Branch, project manager here at beautiful Valley Oaks Ranch.
Hop in and let me give you a quick tour of our scenic ranch where you can start to live your life at your own pace. Here at Valley Oaks Ranch, you'll find spacious acreage home sites surrounded by mature oak trees and spectacular panoramic hill country views. This ranch is designed with your lifestyle in mind, so you'll find all the modern amenities you'd want to feel right at home, including a gated entrance, electric, paved and private roads, walking trails, and a beautiful scenic park with a pond. Better yet, you'll enjoy all the local comforts of Hondo and the festivities of the cowboy capital of the world in Bandera just down the road. Valley Oaks really is a special place where you can enjoy privacy and natural beauty, yet still be close to the charm and culture of Texas's most historic towns. Speaking of location, Hondo is a true gem. This friendly small town offers a unique spirit of country living and modern conveniences, with local shops, family-owned restaurants, and medical facilities, all just minutes from your new Valley Oaks Ranch homesite. Hondo, it's country cool. Plus, live just a short drive from the big city adventures of San Antonio, so nothing is out of reach. Whether you're planning to raise a family here, retire in the peacefulness of nature, or just escape the congestion of the city, Valley Oaks Ranch is the perfect place to put down your roots. You can build now or later and enjoy the freedom to choose your own builder to create the new country home of your dreams. With excellent bank and Texas Vet financing available, there's never been a better time to come out and see what makes these beautiful ranches so special. So give my team a call today at 866-952-6322 to schedule your visit.
We can't wait to welcome you home to Valley Oaks Ranch.